Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide embeds and preview website links on your account and on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now here you will find text and media. Click on it, and here as you see you will find show embeds and preview website links pasted into chat. Just click on it like this and it will be turned it off. And that's it. That's how to hide embeds and preview website links, pass it into chat, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.